You know, when Michael Allen is fucking nothing.
Alright, now it's on.
That's it.
Now, come on.
You don't fucking trust me, you don't fucking look at me, and you ain't fucking gonna eat another minuscule piece of fucking food that I make either.
No.
Cause I ain't fucking cooking for you.
No, cause
I
you're
ain't
gonna
doing
poison my fucking head.
I ain't cleaning your motherfucking house. I ain't letting your dog in and out either. So you know what? You can just go rotate on it.
You know what?
Okay?
I know you're talking to my girlfriend, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
I got a place to go.
Good.
You know?
You go to your girlfriend.
You know, fuck it.
Yeah.
You know, if that's the way it's gonna be.
I'm thinking suck of you.
Fuck. I don't need this fucking place. That's fucking shit.
Oh, wait a minute. You will be paying for the electric, the food, everything. Oh, yeah.
You didn't even
You mark my motherfucking words. You ain't just walking out this store. You got kids to support. You got things to take care of. And you are going to be doing that.
Kids. Yeah. I'm fucking 50 years old, alright? My kids are 26, 27. What the fuck? I ain't taking care of this shit.
You taking care of your kids to drop you.
This is your fucking house. My name's not on nothing. I'm out of here, alright? I got a place to go. Fuck.
Well, guess what?
You give me another fucking drink, alright? Before I go.
You get yourself a motherfucker.
Fuck you. You get it. Now. I said give me a fucking...
You're scaring the fucking dog
I don't
again.
give a fuck
The
about
dog
the dog.
is your goddamn dog. It's not feeling
Yeah,
well.
the fucking dog.
Now stop banging on it. Take the dog with you. God knows I don't want the motherfucking thing.
Bullshit.
You know, I'm not even sleeping with it for 10 fucking years. Jesus.
Dog's only 2 fucking years old, alright? So I've been sleeping with it for 10 years, alright? Good, great.
Just all I can say is get the fuck out of my house. Take yourself, everything about you, because you are nothing but a fucking louse.
Do you know,
Go.
like...